Going on World Wide Web? It's your boy Marlon Bennett, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, in this video today, let's talk about starting your own business and making money online. Okay, let's talk about it from a very realistic perspective. Okay, 3.5 years ago, guys, I set off on a journey to start my own business and start making money online. And what I learned over time, guys, is the best way to do it, the absolute best way to make money online, if you're going to start your own business, guys, is to get involved or get yourself set up with an automated marketing system. Okay, an automated marketing system. What's an automated marketing system? It's a system that automates the entire process in terms of you guys building your list, getting in front of your target audience, engaging with that target audience with what we call VSLs, video sales letters, and closing the sales for you. Okay, it is hands down the simplest and easiest way for you to start your own business and start making money online. Now, guys, I've made more money in one day than some people make in 1 week, or some people make in even 2 weeks, right? And I'm not saying it to brag. I'm just telling you that when you learn how to do it, it's not as complicated as you think, but you got to get out of the noise. You know what I'm saying? You got to get yourself in this place where you're ready, willing, capable, and able to learn some things you never knew, then go out and start implementing them, right? It doesn't happen overnight necessarily, but it can happen in very short order if you stay focused. So when we talk about starting your own business, you talk about making money online. To me, in my mind, right, what's worked for me, right, and what's working for countless thousands of other internet marketers, right, is automating the entire process with our own automated, done-for-you marketing systems and sales funnels. Okay, if you want more information about an incredible system that you can actually start implementing right now today, guys, for really literally pennies on the dollar, there will be a blue continue button right below this video, guys. Click it, watch this short 8-minute video I prepared for you guys. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to contact me, guys. I'll have my email address and I'll have my mobile phone. You guys can text and or email me. Just make sure that you put question for Marlon in the subject line. Anyway, guys, miles to go before I sleep. This is your boy Marlon Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the inside.